What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a broken brake of BMX Stunt bike. On the screen you can see my bike. It is light but nicely designed. It's more than 20 years old and it was brought from Canada. So let's fix the brake. You can see the handbrake is broke. And you need a new brake wear to fix it. This is the brake. And that's the knot. You can see the round down. Now through the handbrake, push the knot and pull it through the hole. Now push it through the pipe. Just exactly do the thing I'm doing. This is the adjustment of the brake. And there is a little hole. Through the hole, rest of the wear, just push it. You need pliers to fix it. Hold the bracket tight and tighten it up. This is the adjuster. Adjust it if the brake is loose. Pretty easy to fix, and the brake has been fixed. Now the tail. Just do what I'm doing. Knot it properly. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care and goodbye.